how to apply a Frosty, Blossom, or Ivory color filter to your photos on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in here, scroll down the picture selection and then open up a picture. Then tap on the edit button. Next, tap on the filters button right here. So tap on that button. Then we swipe across and select a color filter in here. If you want to apply a Frosty, you can select Frosty. Or swipe across and select Blossom or Ivory. And then down here is the strength bar. So you can set how many percent strength you want to apply to the filter. So here, let's say I want to apply a mixed strength. So we go down to 50% mixed strength. And that will apply half of the amount of the filter to your image. And then tap on saved. And that's it. So that is how you can apply the color filter to your image on the Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.